Okay, so click on Module 2 Forum, and click on the post and reply. Two links, you're going to want to open both of them up at the same time. So you've got your, you've got Lumen, you've got the temperatures, and you've got the Boxplot site all open at the same time in your browser. Okay, so you're going to go to temperature and you're going to pick a city. And I don't know why Bombay didn't work for me the other day, but I tried to fix it. I could not fix it, but I tried other cities and I got it to work. So if you get a similar message that says you have a variance that's not 0 or something like that, I can't help you because I can't figure it out. So what I would suggest is just pick a different city. Okay, so I just opened up the Oslo text file and I'm going to select all of 1995. I'm going to, remember this number on the left is months. So you're going to go up to 12/31, right? The last day, I went too far, the last day of 1995. You're going to right click, you're going to copy it. You're going to go to a spreadsheet, a Google Sheet, which I should have told you to have open already. I created I'm creating a new tab. Let me delete this tab because I already did it. I'm going to do it again. Okay, so I'm going to create a new tab called Oslo, just so I know what I'm doing. And I'm going to right click and click paste. Now I'm going to go down to the bottom of this, which would be like line 365. Whoops, went too fast. Okay, now I'm going to put my cursor right below it, the very next cell. Go back to the temperature tab, go down, scroll way down to 2019. Look for 2019. Here we go. 10, 11, 12, 1 here. So January 1st, 2019, all the way to December 31st of 2019. Right click, copy. Now I'm going to go back to that Google Sheet and I'm going to paste that. And there we have both years in the Google Sheet. Now we have to put the data in columns. Hit on the column A, right click. Oh, no, not right click, my bad. Data, split text to columns. Boom. We don't need the month, so click on the A, right click, and delete column. We don't need the day, so right click, delete column. And the website wants the year to be the second variable. So you're going to, oh wait, before you do this next step, you should be at the top. So scroll up to the top so you can see the 1 here, right? And then click on the A again, right click and say cut, and then put your cursor in C1, right click and say paste. Now column A is empty, you got to delete that. So right click again and say delete. Now you're ready to create the text file because it can't read spreadsheets, it has to be a text. So you're going to click File, and then you're going to say Download, and then you're going to say comma separated values. My laptop always opens up Excel whenever you create a comma separated values file. Yours probably won't, but what you're going to want to do is go to wherever your computer downloads your files. In my case, it's the downloads. And this is it right here, Ellen Spreadsheet 29 class Oslo. So, oops, I didn't mean to do that. Again, because my laptop is set up to open these in Excel, but I don't want to do that. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to say open with, and then I'm going to say notepad. So you have to figure out, every computer comes with a text reader. This is just something that reads plain text with no bells and whistles. So if you don't have Notepad, then you have to find out what's on your laptop. But on Windows, if you say Control A, that selects everything. And then you can right click that and say copy. Now you can go back to the box plot page. You're going to click on the top, you're going to change this to My Data. You are going to click Clear this button and say yes, say OK. You're going to click Graph by Category. You might want to type in what it is. So I'm going to say average daily temperature, Oslo, Norway. And then you're going to paste the data that you just saved and update the box plot, and there it is. Now, right away, I noticed something. Look at this. It's minus 110 degrees, 100 degrees. That doesn't, Oslo is cold, but it's not that cold. So I realized that I have that negative 99 problem. So I'm going to have to backtrack. So let's go back here and let's look for those minus 99s. I think the easiest way to do it is to sort. So if you click this button here and you say data, sort sheet, sort range, excuse me, by column A. Look at that. There's 6 records that, 6 rows that have minus 99. So if you click the first row, you hold down the shift button and you click the 6th row, that'll highlight them all, and then you right click and then you say delete rows 1 through 6 or whatever yours are. And now I'm going to do the same thing I did again. I'm going to say file, download, comma separated values. It's going to open Excel. I'm going to close Excel. Then I'm going to go to my list and I'm going to take the new one. Let's see. Did it repeat? Did it refresh? Yes, this is the one I want. Oslo 2, the newest one. So I double clicked it again. I keep doing that. Sorry, kids. Right click it and open it with a text reader, Notepad if you have it. Control A, Control C, back to the box plot. Ba-doom, ba-doom. I'm going to say clear. Okay. Control V to paste. Update box plot. And now I should have a nice box plot. Now I can, no, it didn't put my data on there. Oh no, I cleared it. So I have to say average temperature, Oslo, Norway. Because I thought it would put the title right on the box plot, which would be nice. Yeah, okay. So now you can open up your snipping tool. Snip. I have to search for it. Here it is, my snipping tool. I'm going to say new. I'm going to select it. Try not to get all the junk in it. Let's do a new one again. Like that. So now in my snipping tool, I say copy. And now I'm going to go over to Lumen. I am going to add new thread. I'm going to say Ellen. No, I'm not going to say Ellen. I'm going to say Oslo, Norway. And then I'm going to put my cursor right in here and click Control V, and that'll put my picture in there. Okay, and then I also asked you, is there a way to make this thing bigger? It doesn't look like it. I also asked you to put some information in here, so to figure out some of the data, which you can do back on your spreadsheet, right? So maybe figure out what the median is or what the mode is, and explanation. So I'm not going to type all this right now, but I am going to type it after I finish making this video, so you can go back and look at what I did. Okay, I hope this was helpful. Now I have to learn how to stop this. Where's my screen? What happened to my little thing? I can't stop the recording. This is crazy. There it is.